Hello there, my name is Alexis Lilly, and today we are here at the Naked Zero Waste shop. Yes. So first off, right over here, a very important motto that we like to go by: let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. What we're trying to do is really implement nutrition and wellness for the community, especially in low-income Black communities. So we're going to have organic nuts, seeds, grains, beans, flours, rices, and if you come over here, you'll see we have our grains and legumes. You can bring your own containers in and refill, so zero waste shop. So we're really trying to push the zero waste movement and help the environment. So yes, all these grains and beans are 100% organic. They are naked. So what does that mean? Free of GMOs, pesticides, chemicals, and all those things that really cause you a lot of ailments that you deal with today. Another sector of this store is non-toxic home. Cleaning your home with items that are free of those chemicals that can cause eczema, psoriasis, allergies. So here we have a refill station for Dr. Bronner's cast-out soaps, which can be used in multiple different ways. We have detergents and cleaning sprays. They're all non-toxic and really healthy for your home. To your right is our spices and seasonings. So we have a large array of organic spices and seasonings. And yes, they taste nice, but the most important thing is they're going to be really, really good for you. They can supplement a wellness program. We have turmeric powder, ginger powder. Those are good for joints and inflammation. So yes, this is Naked. And then the sister store to Naked, if you come this way, you're going to enter Nappily Naturals. So Nappily Naturals actually started first. We had Nappily Naturals first, October of 2018. And basically it was really about bringing all natural, organic healthcare, body care, herbal teas to the Black community. Our signature shea butters, known to really help with eczema and psoriasis. So we make these in-house, all natural, organic. We have scents for whatever you like: fruity, floral, earthy. All right, and so you really want to push the natural hair movement. And sometimes it can be a little difficult because many of us are not familiar with taking care of our natural hair. So another part of the shop is natural hair care. Everything here is organic, all natural, really going to help with scalp issues. It's going to help for my men and women that are looking to transition to natural, for my men and women that have locks. And then right below the hair care, we have all natural skincare. So we're really pushing the all-natural lifestyle and living here. And you see Cyan here, she is making our bath salts, which we also make in-house. And that one is our self-love. It's really popular. All right, amazing. And so I guess you could say the grand finale for this side is going to be our apothecary wall. So this wall is filled with an array of herbs and teas known to really help with many ailments, many diseases and conditions. Our customers come in and we try our best to recommend herbs that they're looking for. So some popular ones right now, we got some elderberries right here. Really great for boosting the immune system, clearing out mucus with everything going on right now. And also at Nappily Naturals, we love to push elements of African spirituality. And so here is our crystal table. It's filled with an array of crystals. And essentially these crystals hold energetic properties that are to assist you with spiritual wellness, mental wellness, and just on your life's journey. All right, so that is Nappily Naturals and Naked. And if you want to know more, follow us at Nappily Naturals and at Naked 2021.